Have you noticed that garage doors are the most overlooked part of your home? They provide security and protection for your property. When parts of your garage door malfunction or break, our garage door repair team comes to help you because they realize that the security of your loved ones is priceless. Our garage door technicians are well-trained, licensed, and insured. Each of our trucks or vans comes fully stocked with all the tools to provide you with any repair or replacement with just a single visit. We can fix garage doors, springs, openers, everything that can be a reason of garage door malfunction. Give us a call now and start your best garage door repair experience.